Hi there, I'm Jen. I'm the new programming assistant at the Vega Rail Centennial Library, and I come to you today with a video on our new kits. We are putting together some planting kits for you, some herb kits, and it's great because it's a sign that spring is here and it's good for our mental health as well. In our kit will look like this. We have a savory option, an Italian option, and a garnish option. In the savory one, you have sage and thyme. In the Italian, you have oregano and basil. And in the garnish, you have peppermint and parsley. You will also get in your kit a cardboard peat container, a plastic lid that your container will sit on, like this. You will get 2 different types of seeds, and you will get 4 little circles. These are actually soil. What you do is you drop them into a container of water, and once they soak for just a couple minutes, it doesn't take long, you will get this lovely bag of soil. The bag of soil sits inside of our peat containers like this. Once your soil is sitting inside, you want to make sure that you put the top part up that has the hole in it so that you can access the dirt. You can grab your seeds, whichever ones you have. We are planting some oregano today. Just pop open your packet. Yours will be an envelope. And you're going to just create a little hole in the top just to put your seeds in. Sprinkle a few seeds. Don't forget you have 4, so you need kind of enough for 2 of each kind. Once your seeds are sprinkled in, you can just take the soil and cover the top. Just like that. That easy. And then what you do is let this sit in a window and let it germinate so that it starts to sprout. Once you start to see it sprout, and it's a nice healthy sprout, you can take your peat pot, and plant it into your garden or into a bigger pot. And then you just have to watch it grow. It's that easy. We have 20 kits, so make sure you're registered to sign up to pick one up. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Talk to you soon.